Chapter 6. Housing and Clothing. You will learn good and clean house, care of the house, clothes and fiber, clothes according to weather. We all need a house to live in. We live in the house with our families. We feel safe and comfortable in it. A house protects us from rain, cold, heat, and dust. Good and clean house. We should keep our house clean. A house should be free from germs. Germs are small living things that grow in dirty places. They spread diseases and make us ill. We should take the following steps to make our house good. A house should be full of light. There should be full of sunlight, as sunlight helps to keep the house free from germs. During the daytime, the windows should be kept open to allow sunlight to come in. Insects live in dark and damp places and may cause diseases. Germs also grow in dark and damp places. A house should be airy. All of us need clean and fresh air to breathe in. There should be large windows in the house to allow the clean and fresh air to enter. We should keep the windows open to let in the fresh air. In a good house, doors and windows face each other for cross-ventilation so that the air can pass freely. There should be open areas like balconies and verandas to let in the fresh air. Airy house keeps us healthy. Care of the house. We must take good care of our house by keeping it neat and clean. All the members of the house should take care of cleanliness of the house. We can take care of our house in the following ways. All the things should be kept at their right place. There should be a covered dustbin in every room and in the kitchen. The dustbin should be emptied and cleaned every day. Dusting and cleaning of the floor and house should be done regularly. Wash basins and washrooms should be cleaned every day. A house should have proper drainage system. The drains in the kitchen and washroom should be covered. The drains should be cleaned regularly. No water should be allowed to collect in and around the house. Cobwebs, ceiling fans, and cupboards should be cleaned regularly. The curtains of the rooms should be washed regularly. Some plants around the house also make the air clean. Clothes and fiber. We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes are made of thin, thread-like structures called fibers. Fibers are used to make yarns. Yarns are woven to make a fabric. Fabric pieces are stitched together to make clothes. Fibers for clothes. Clothes are made from natural and man-made or synthetic fibers. Natural fibers. We get natural fibers both from plants and animals. Natural fibers include cotton, jute, silk, wool, and fur. Plants give us cotton and jute. We get wool, silk, and fur from animals. We get wool from sheep or lamb. Removing of wool from sheep is called shearing. Do you know? We get silk from an insect called silkworm. The cultivation of silk is called sericulture. Synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are man-made and are made from chemicals. Nylon, rayon, and polyester are the examples of synthetic fibers. They are usually stronger than natural fibers. Clothes according to weather. We wear clothes according to our need and the weather conditions. Since climate of all the places is different, we find people wearing different types of clothes. Clothes protect us from heat. Clothes protect us from heat. In summer, we like to wear cotton clothes. Cotton soaks the sweat fast and keeps the body cool. There are tiny holes in cotton cloth which allows the air to pass in and out. Clothes protect us from cold. Clothes protect us from cold. During winter, we wear woolen clothes. Wool keeps the body warm. It traps air and does not allow the heat to escape. Layer clothing. Dress in layers for the winters. We should use many thin warm layers instead of few thick layers of clothing, as it allows you to take off upper layers if temperature rises during the day. For example, wear woolen socks and inners. Clothes protect us from rain. Clothes protect us from rain. During rainy season, we need to wear raincoats. They are made from waterproof material and protect us from getting wet. Synthetic clothes are also good in rainy season as they are wrinkle-free and dry easily. Let us revise. A house protects us from rain, cold, heat, and dust. We should keep our house clean. A house should be free from germs. The large windows in the house allow the clean and fresh air to enter. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, and rain. Clothes are made from natural and man-made or synthetic fibers.